this video, we will make the alphabet letters with clay. So first of all, let's make the letter A. Oh nice! It's the letter A. A. A for apple. Let's make the next letter B. Oh nice! This is the letter B. B. B for butterfly. Let's make the next letter C. Oh nice! It's the letter C. C. C for camel. So let's make the next letter D. Oh nice! It's the letter D. D. D for drum. So let's make the next letter E. Oh nice! It's the letter E. E. E for elephant. So let's make the next letter F. Oh nice! It's the letter F. F. F for fish. So let's make the next letter G. Oh nice! It's the letter G. G. G for giraffe. Let's make the next letter H. Oh nice! It's the letter H. H. H for hat. So let's make the next letter I. Oh nice! It's the letter I. I. I for import. So let's make the next letter J. Oh nice! It's the letter J. J. J for jam. So let's make the next letter K. Oh nice! It's the letter K. K. K for kite. So let's make the next letter L. Oh nice! It's the letter L. L. L for line. Let's make the next letter M. Oh nice! It's the letter M. M. M for mermaid. Let's make the next letter N. Oh nice! It's the letter N. N. N for nurse. So let's make the next letter O. Oh nice! It's the letter O. O. O for octopus. So let's make the next letter P. Oh nice! It's the letter P. P. P for piano. So let's make the next letter Q. Oh nice! It's the letter Q. Q. Q for cream. So let's make the next letter R. Oh nice! It's the letter R. R. R for robot. So let's make the next letter S. Oh nice! It's the letter S. S. S for sun. So let's make the next letter T. the letter T. T. T for tiger. So let's make the next letter U. Oh, nice! It's the letter U. U. U for umbrella. So let's make the next letter V. Oh, nice! It's the letter V. V. V for van. So let's make the next letter W. Oh, nice! It's the letter W. W. W for window. So let's make the next letter X. Oh, nice! It's the letter X. X. X for X-ray. So let's make the next letter Y. Oh, nice! It's the letter Y. Y. Y for jet. So let's make the next letter Z. Oh, nice! It's the letter Z. Z. Z for zebra.